Hello guys, and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today we will be speak about earning money typing names. Yes, you got here. You can earn $500 for typing a name. Are you interested? So let's start.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
Let's start from beginning. How it's working. A lot of companies search ideal name for their company webpage, YouTube channels, but they don't have time or don't have idea for the perfect name. In this case, came with help company called Squad Help. On this page, customer can create contents to the best name for their company, and in this point, we can earn money. We join two contents for the company name, and when we win, we earn money for this contest. So how to join? Go to the page www.squadhelp.com and create your account. Here is option to log in and sign up. Next, select from top menu, Contents, Browse, and Active Contents. Like you see at the moment, is active over 300 contents where you can join and try your skills in this contest. Like you see on this page, here is list of the contents. Here is information how many you can earn when you win the contents, when you prepare good name for this concierge business. For this offer is $500. For this is $300. Here's 300, 300, 300, $300. Of course, you can filter this result. You can check it by an industry. So, like we see, it's a lot of category of an industry. You can filter by categories, and naming is not only one content type, because you can select naming and taglines only, or if you're good in some designs, you can prepare logo or design. Here we can filter by status and filter by active, or if you want check closet, filter by closet with type awards, so guaranteed or not guaranteed. So you have here information is guaranteed for this contents, and we can filter by amount between 100 to 200, 200 to 300, and more than 300. How many you can earn per month? It all depends on you, but we can check how many earn other people who are working on this page. So let's we look on this section. To go there, you need open contest and winners. And here you see last winners of the contest. You will see what type of this contest was, what person who this was, when this contest was, and how many he earned. So like you see, here's 150, 200, 300, 225, 100, 100, 300, 500, 100, 200. So people earning here money. And if you want to see how many are earning people from the top, here is a button like a leaderboard. So you push on this button, and on this page you see people who on the top of the list winning and top earning. So like you see here is first place, and this month he won 7 times and earned 70,000, 71,000 dollars. Here is next person, 5 times, $4,000, 5 times and $14,000, 5 times $15,000. So like you see, people earning here nice money. I have some bonus tip for you if you want find some inspiration to creating name and start earning money on this competition in this company. First tip is web page called namelinks.com, what you see on my desktop right now, where you can type keywords and set settings to generate new title. And in the result of this query what you type here, you get some inspiration name. So for example, we can type here name business and fructis. And type generate. Here we have questions. Select lattice one name length. So short name, 3 to 6 letters, 6 to 12, more than 12. So I am using this short, but sometimes I'm selecting this medium. So I check this and type check this and pushing button generate. And like you see, here is some inspiration with the name and with logo. You of course can buy this what this is generated, but you can grab from here some inspiration for creating your name, what will be fit in this contents on page Squad Help. So so like you see, it's a lot of ideas with some kind of samples, and you can grab these ideas and, like I said before, prepare something similar for what is fit in a contents description. Second tip are domain registry web pages, and one of the good example is namemesh.com. Where you can type keywords and you get some inspiration name to create unique name for your contents. So like you see, it's very similar to this page when what was before. You typing your keywords and type generate. It's some ads, so we can close. Like you see, here's a lot of inspiration name from domains. So most of these contents need to be names with free global domain with .com. So you can grab from here some inspiration and check is available. And like you see, some common like businessfruits.com, or you can go to section fun, bullfruits.com, bullsweets.com, or some mix, something similar, some new, some extra. So you can get inspiration from this web page. Let me know in comments what do you think about these earning methods, and do you use this company to earn money?
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.